Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and it's me and Charm. We are back for another video guys, and for today I'm going to do an unboxing for my Boxycharm. Yes, so I got my May Boxycharm box, so I'm gonna unbox and try on whatever I got on this box. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. For those who are curious about Boxycharm, well, Boxycharm is a $21 beauty subscription, and they send you 4 to 6 full-size products. Like usually they send very nice products in there, and it's worth more than the box. So without further ado guys, I'm gonna go start, and if you're interested, just check out on the link down below, and also if you like, you can use my referral code down in the description below. So yeah, I already did my foundation and my contour and everything, my eyebrows off cam, so this one will be not as long. But anyways, let's start it out. First, on this box, I got this card. It says Make Waves, and it has all the information and the prices of all the products that I have on this box. So yeah. Okay, so let's begin. So that's what's in my box. Okay, I'm gonna tell you honestly, when I opened the box, I wasn't too happy with what I got, because, well, I kind of already knew the like they give me like a preview of whatever they put in the box, but they will randomly put that, and it's not for sure that you're gonna get it. But then on their website, I saw like a little sneak peek, and there are some products in there that I really want to get. I was hoping I will get in my box, but I didn't. So you know, I'm a little disappointed with my box this month. Yes, so the first product that I got is this coconut water cream by First Aid Beauty. And First Aid Beauty, they are very good. They're good skincare products, and I love their facial cleanser, and that's what I've been using. But anyways, for this one is Hello Fab. It's coconut water cream, helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge. I'm not gonna use this one. Any facial products that has hydration in there, I try to avoid, because I don't know, I don't need it. So I'm gonna put that in the side. So next is a eyelash curler. Eyelash curler, it's by Pure Cosmetics. It's pretty. Look at the color, it's very pretty. But I'm not gonna use this one because I have my favorite curler. So look at that, it's got like studs, it's got bling bling in it. I got this before from Tarte. I bought this one from the Tarte website. So I'm not gonna use this one. My aunt was looking for an eyelash curler, so I'm not gonna give that to her. Alright, next thing is from Ciate London. Eye luster, eye cream eyeshadow. Oh, so yeah, this is one that I saw. So, well, this one is very promising. I like that one. It's very pretty. It's an eye topper, so like I like that one. We'll see what we can create with this. Yes, and that retails for $22 for this one. And then next is from Alamar Cosmetics. I really love the Alamar Cosmetics. This one is the Colorette Blush Trio, and it's for medium to tan. So I'm medium, so I think this is alright. Alright, look at that. Look at that color. Seclusion. This is Seclusion. This is Isla and Toasted. So yeah, can't wait to use that on my face. And that is also $22. $22. And then lastly in my box is Oriza Beauty. It is a, I think this one is a lip gloss, and it's in the shade Champagne Cocktail. So that's what it is. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. We'll see. For my for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use my Soft Glam eyeshadow, because yeah, I'm gonna do like a little soft glam today. I'm gonna use this one. Alright, so I'm gonna top my my eyelid with this topper. Wow, it's really pretty. I don't know if you can see it, guys. It's pretty. I didn't know that it was gonna be that pretty. Put that all over my eyelid. Okay, I'm gonna put like a little darker brown over here in the outer corner. That way it's gonna intensify a little bit, like right over here. Alright. So I only use the Dusty Rose and this Cypress Umber. I'm gonna put my eyelashes on, and I'll be right back. Alright, I have my lashes on, and I put a little bit of like eyeliner. Yeah, so that's what it is in my eyes. If you can see, I think I feel like putting a little bit more in the middle. It's really pretty. Okay. Right. Okay, I'm gonna put mascara under here in my lower lash. Yeah, I'm using this. I already coat my lashes with this one. I'm using the Wonder Beauty Unlash eyelash. This is my favorite mascara so far. Yeah. Alright, so it is on. Next is I'm gonna use this this blush by Alamar Cosmetics. I really love. I received a eyeshadow palette from the Alamar Cosmetics, also from Boxycharm, and I love that. I love that palette. But anyways, for blush, I'm gonna use I'm gonna mix this too, Isla and the Seclusion. Here. Not bad. but I like that one. I like that blush. So, can you see it? It's pretty. I like it. I don't know if the toasted and the other, this one, I don't know if maybe I can use that one if I'm like really tanned, but for right now I'm gonna these two that I use, it's very pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna put a highlight on. I don't have any highlight with this one, but I'm gonna use the highlight that I got from last month. And last month was, I got this Artistic Summer Haze highlight. So I'm gonna use this one because I didn't get to introduce that into that video. So I'm gonna make it up. This time I'm gonna be using my Anastasia. I really love this one, guys. So I was very sad that the video didn't come out. So yeah, I wanna use this one again. So I usually put it on the cap and just tap a little bit, and it has like a little sifter in there, which helps not to like pour so much, but it's also up to you to, you know, to control it. Yes, so I'm gonna highlight. Yeah, okay, highlight is real. See that one? It's so pretty. Oh ma, see that glare. I'm so impressed. One more. Because it's me. I love my highlight. And then I'm gonna put a little bit in here. And right there. A little bit in my brow bone. I'll put some. I'm actually gonna put some of this highlight in my inner corner, because why not? It's so pretty. There. And a little bit in my brow bone. Now, for my lips, I'm going to use actually the lipstick I got from last month's box. So I'm gonna use this. It's Christopher Buckle, and this is the lipstick. That's what it looks like. So this is what I'm gonna use. And to finish up my look, I am going to tap my lip with this Oriza lip gloss. Alright, and there we go. I think I'm done. Let me finish up everything and do my hair, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. What do you guys think? Yeah, I had to switch my lip color because I didn't really like this one when I tap it off on my lipstick. It made my lipstick so sticky. So I switched my lip color. The lipstick I use is this Kylie lipstick that I got. It was in my haul for my previous video, and this one is Posy K. So that's what it is in my lips. So yeah, So for the total of all the products that I got from my Boxycharm, alright, the total value of whatever the products that's in my box is $110. Yeah, so I mean, you know, not bad, even though some of the products that they put in that box you don't like, it's still okay. It's still okay because there are products in here that is really good and good quality, just like this this eye luster shadow. I love this one, and that was already $22, and that's more than the price of the box. And the other one was the blush trio that I really like also, and that is also a that's also a $22 blush. So it's not bad, even though you don't like, even though for me myself I don't like the other 3 products that was in my box. It's still worth it. I still got these 2. Those other stuff I can pass along. Yes, and then that's it, guys. I hope you like this makeup look that I made, that I created here. I hope you guys like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell button so you'll get notified when I post another video. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next Boxycharm unboxing. Bye!